Welcome to solverfy.
Hi everybody. So we need to find what the X is in this problem of the reaction. We know this is stripping reaction and we need to know the Q value of its endo-exothermic. So let me write down the reaction they gave us. So we have the deuterium plus 2, 3 lithium plus X plus P. And this is what they gave us, okay? So I'm going to erase this and write down what it actually is instead of shorthanded. There we go. And that should help you. Okay, so we know this is 1 and this is 1. And we need to have this balance. So we know that this is going to have 3 because this has 4 down here and this is 4. Okay, now we need to make sure the top part is 4. And we can do that. Oops. My bad. I wrote that as 2, 6. Okay, now we have that corrected. Let's not be silly. And since that's 8, we need 8 over here. And the only spot where we can do that is right here. So that's going to be 7. And we end up getting 8. And I can actually just write this as D back to D. D plus 6 lithium equals, can you guess? 3 lithium plus proton. And that's your reaction here. And then this is what you get for X, okay? And so for B, I'm going to write it out for you guys. And it's asking if what's a stripping reaction. And I'll write this in green. So this is called, right here. So this is called a stripping reaction because by bombarding of the deuteron which is this, okay, with the lithium, it produces its parent number. Okay, or stripping a neutron. Okay, so now it wants us to find the Q value and if it's endo-exothermic. Okay, so now we can add this and you can just look at your periodic table for the values. So we're going to do the first side, the left-hand side is first, and we have the atomic mass is 0.01410 U plus 6.0512 minus, and we have the right hand side now, that's why it's minus, 7.016004 minus 1.007825, and these are all used here. And we got C squared. Okay? So now that's going to equal 0.0005395 U C squared, speed of light, times, we need this MeV, so 931.5 MeV, C squared, U. Okay, and we have this, cancels out this, okay? And we end up with a 5.025 MeV. Now we're not done. We got to figure out if it's endothermic or exothermic, okay? And let me just write something very simple for you. If it's a positive Q value, then it's going to equal exothermic. If it's a negative Q value, it's endothermic. Okay? So that means for this, it's positive. So this reaction is exothermic. Okay? And that's your answer for here. Okay, guys, I hope that helps.